Okay, so a few students have asked me to go over my SignalR session from day 3 of MSA because I kind of rushed it at the end because we were running out of time. So I'll just quickly go over the steps um, in that session for you. So what we want to do is we want to create a new project, file, new project. And because we're making a web app, we want ASP.NET web application. We're going to call it SignalR chat. Click OK. And then from here we want to select empty and make sure nothing's checked. Empty, and that's it. Click OK when you're done. Alright, and now what we want to do is we want to create our chat hub class file. Basically what this does is it's going to coordinate all the connections on our network. So every browser that's currently looking at our website, this class will pretty much handle it for us, all those connections. So we'll go file, right click, add, new item, and then down here from the side here we want to click SignalR Hub class version 2, and just call it Chat Hub, and click add. Alright, and what this is going to do is it's going to create our Chat Hub class as well as generate a couple of jQuery scripts for us. So what Chat Hub does, like I said before, it coordinates all the connections on our network, while jQuery here is what sends and receives the messages, or sends the messages on our network. So what we want to do now is we want to add our NuGet package, our SignalR package, to our project, which will update our scripts for us and resolve any dependencies. So what we want to do is we want to come down here to manage package manage console, and we want to type in this command: install package Microsoft dot ASP.NET dot SignalR. Click enter. Alright, and when that's done, we want to go back into our hub class, and instead of using the hello method, we want to use the send method, and we want to pass it two strings, one being the name and another being the message. Then down here, class.all.hello, we want to change that to class.all.broadcast message, and passing it the two string parameters into that. So basically what this line here does is going to broadcast what we passed into it across the network, so everyone that's currently listening will receive it. So what we want to do is we want to change this to broadcast message and pass it our name and message. Alright, so now what we want to do is we want to add our Owen start class to our project. So we go to right click, add, new, and at the top here we want to search for Owen and just call it start up, and add that. And now what we want to do is when our website launches, or when it first starts up, we want to map out SignalR. We will want to call the map SignalR method. Alright. So now if we ran that, nothing will be displayed because we don't have a landing page for our browser to display. So what we want to do now is we want to create our index file and set that as the start of the project, so that when we do publish it to Azure and someone goes to our link, that's what they will see. So we'll come up here, right click, add HTML file, and just search for, and just enter index, just call it index. And now what we want to do is we want to go to msec.ms/get hub, go to Auckland, D3 SignalR, and all the snippet codes that I've been using is right here. So what we want to do is we want to come down to index.html, want to copy this, all of this, copy, and we want to paste it. We want to replace everything that's already inside our index.html file with it. And that's it, we're pretty much done. So what this here basically is doing is starting our connection, and it's calling the send method, which is inside our chat hub class, and it's passing it the display name, which is, where is it, which is right here, up here, and it's passing it the message, which is up here as well, passing it into our send method inside chat hub, and broadcasting it across the network. That's pretty much it. So if we go ahead and run that, alright, and if all goes well, there should be a pop-up prompting us to enter in our name. Yep. Alright, and now we can start typing our message. So if we had deployed or published this to Azure and someone else was viewing our web page, they should receive this. They should see this, my name and my message, and also if they send me a message, it will show up here as well. And that's it, pretty much. If you have any questions, just go onto the Facebook, the MSA Facebook page, and leave your message there, and someone will answer it, I guess. Alright.